Today we'll be looking at starting a motor from the PLC using a contactor with feedback to indicate that the contactor is pulled in and the circuit is closed for current flow. Two push buttons normally open, one to start the system and the other to stop the system. The connections would be as follows. Start button on input 0.0, stop button on input 0.1, and the contactor feedback would be on input 0.2. The run output would be on output 0.0. And some variables such as system running and motor is running would be created in a DB. First up, I'll set up my latch. Note the normally open start input and the normally closed stop input. Both buttons are normally open in my case, but that would depend on your setup. I'm setting my system run bit true until the stop button is pressed. We could have used an SR or set reset instruction, but for some reason I still prefer a basic latch, and it could have been directly linked to the output. After erasing, let's have a look at the run feedback. I'm linking that to a bit motor running. This could have been linked to the HMI or used in other parts of the program. Unfortunately, we won't see any feedback since there's no physical device connected to that specific input, but it should give you an idea of where and how to use it. After starting the simulation, I've made my start input true and false, it sets the latch, and now we have a system run that's set to true. Setting our stop input to true disabled the latch and removes the output to the contactor, thus stopping the motor. If you'd like me to add some more complexity to this project, let me know, please subscribe and leave a like.